demonstration, I'm going to show the unique and patented fittings to suit the Lamello Zeta. Here at ProTrade, we're saying it's easy as 1, 2, 3, TSC. That stands for turn, slide and click. There are 3 ways to use these fittings. Let me show you more. So, number 1, Clamex, turn. Perfect for butt and mitre joints with or without glue. Number 2, slide. That's a Divario connector. Perfect for bookshelves and shelving units with a completely invisible joint. Number 3, click. Tenso. Perfect for permanently clamping any timber construction. It's an ingenious solution to joining timber and board materials. If you can think of a use for it in your business, please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.